Canva, empowering design for everyone. Graphic design used to mean pricey software and steep learning curves. Then Canva arrived, democratizing design with drag-and-drop ease. Founded in 2013 by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Albrecht, and Cameron Adams, Canva's mission was simple: empower the world to design. Open Canva and you're greeted by a minimalist dashboard. On the left, projects, brand hub, and apps. At center stage, a search bar that's basically a genie. Type A4 flyer or YouTube thumbnail and templates appear instantly. The plus create a design button. Your portal to infinite canvases. Canva's secret sauce is its 610,000 plus templates. Need a LinkedIn banner, wedding invite, or TikTok video? Pre-designed layouts save you hours. Swap colors, drop in photos, and boom, professional vibes with zero design degree. Editing is pure drag-and-drop zen. Resize an element, animate text, or add smart mockups. The built-in photo editor packs sliders for brightness, duotone filters, and a background remover that works in one click. No Photoshop tiers required. Upgrade to Canva Pro and unlock the brand kit, upload logos, set brand colors, and save fonts. Pro also unlocks 100 million stock assets, magic resize, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Welcome to Canva's AI playground. Magic Design auto-generates layouts from a prompt or image. Text-to-image converts words into AI art. Magic Write drafts copy. Type vintage coffee poster with retro fonts. The AI builds a ready-to-publish design in seconds. Canva isn't a solo act. Real-time collaboration lets teammates comment, edit, and version track. Think Google Docs for design. The Present and Record tool turns slides into shareable videos with webcam overlays, perfect for async pitches. Beyond static graphics, Canva now creates videos, websites, whiteboards, and printable products. Publish directly to Instagram, TikTok, or Google Drive. Integrate with HubSpot for marketing automation. Free tier, great for hobbyists, thousands of templates, basic editing, 5 GB storage. Pro, $55 per year or $6.50 per month, adds brand hub, AI tools, stock library, 1 terabyte storage. Teams, scales Pro features plus admin controls. Pros, beginner-friendly UI, massive template and stock library, powerful AI and collaboration features, affordable compared to Adobe Suite. Cons, limited advanced vector editing, heavy internet dependence, over-templating can lead to generic designs. Canva isn't just another design tool, it's a creativity amplifier. From social media hustlers to enterprise teams, it flattens the learning curve. Ready to try it? Sign up free, test the Pro trial, and let us know if Canva transforms your workflow, or if you're sticking to the old school suite. Either way, design just got way more fun.